Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use a drawing tablet for Osu. First, ensure your tablet is properly connected to your computer using its USB cable. Next, install the latest drivers from your tablet manufacturer's website for optimal performance. It's crucial to disable Windows Ink in your tablet settings to avoid any interference with gameplay. Finally, configure your tablet's active area to perfectly align with your monitor's display for consistent cursor movement. Finding your ideal tablet active area is key for Osu gameplay. Many players prefer a smaller area, often around 1/4 to 1/2 of the full tablet, for faster cursor control. However, a larger area can offer more precision. Experiment to discover what feels best for you. Your pen grip should be relaxed and natural, like holding a regular pen. A loose grip prevents fatigue during extended play sessions. When playing Osu, with a tablet, you have two main options, hovering or dragging. Hovering means keeping your pen tip a few millimeters above the tablet surface, which can feel smoother for some players and reduces wear on your tablet. Dragging involves the pen tip constantly touching the surface, offering a more grounded feel. Many top players use both methods, switching based on the map. Try both to see which one enhances your accuracy and speed. Consistent practice is essential for mastering Osu with a drawing tablet. Dedicate at least 30 minutes daily to playing various maps, focusing on different patterns and speeds. Avoid frequently changing your tablet area or grip once you find what works, as consistency builds muscle memory. Prioritize hitting notes accurately and maintaining rhythm over simply trying to pass difficult maps. Over time, your speed and precision will naturally improve with dedicated effort.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.